Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can check the rarity of Solana's NFT using HowRare. Now for that case, what you have to do is now first of all you need to pick Solana from the list of available network and search for DeGods. Now select Solana from the drop-down list of the supported network in HowRare. After that, select the NFT collections you want to check. For the purpose of this guide, I'm going to be using the DeGods collection. Now after opening the NFT collection, search for a particular item to check its rarity. HowRare or any other NFT rarity checking tools for that matter shows different attributions that determines the rarity of a particular NFT's item. Now it is worth noting that the process of demanding the rarity of a single NFT is very similar no matter what collections or blockchain is used. Now due to the rarity of a certain NFT, some NFTs from the Solana collection can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, while others from the same collection can cost much more, much less. So that is basically how you can check the rarity of your NFTs on Solana. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.